There are so many options available in the market. The process of finding the best toaster oven under $100 can be tedious and overwhelming. To make your life easier, we tested out several top models to see which ones stood out from the rest of the pack. The Hamilton Beach 31156 2-in-1 countertop oven and long slot toaster represents great value for money, and is a great addition to your kitchen. It provides 2-in-1 combination. This unique combo lets you cook personal-sized pizzas with a tender crispy crust, and toast bread evenly in 40% less time. Customers seem to really enjoy this toaster oven with its simple slide of a lever. Switching from the extra-wide slot toaster to the spacious oven is easy, making it perfect for the morning breakfast rush or busy weeknight dinner. Here are the specifications of this great product. Here's why we think this model is the best on the market. And this is our ratings for this product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.